Hi, it's Romeo, and I'm having a fix and flip bus tour with an all-star cast. I have an attorney, I have a hard money lender, I have a real estate agent, and I have the contractor in place to show real estate investors how to buy properties, fix and flip them from A to Z. Now, what we want to do is we want to make this a big event. We want to have it so that other people can get involved, and if you have or a real estate industry related company that you can make money off of people who are going to buy maybe 10, 20, 30, 50 houses in the future, fix them and flip them. So if you're a real estate broker, if you're a real estate agent, if you're an insurance person, if you're a mortgage person, hey, we want you to be part of the event as a sponsor, and you can find out how you can do more and you can make more networking with high quality people who are looking to buy more than one property. So if this sounds like you and you want to grow your business, we want you as a sponsor. Come to the fixandflipbustour.com and become a sponsor. fixandflipbustour.com. I look forward to seeing you there as a sponsor.